up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka the Audio Cat. Man, check this out, man. I just want to get y'all nothing. We're driving to work right now, cruising, nothing at all. And we get into this. I want you to pay attention. Look, I'm going to second gear. Got a third gear. Got a fifth gear. Got a sixth gear. Nothing. Only gear I got is fourth gear. This is kind of a thing. I wasn't beating on it. I haven't really beat this car down. I've only done roll racing with it. Really at the demonology event with that GTR that y'all saw. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of depressed. I'm kind of heartbroken right now because I don't know what to do at this point in time with this car. I don't want to go automatic, but I'm kind of being forced to be able to do it because of the fact of, you know, I don't know. I mean, I know it's got a lot of power, but I just don't know what to do at this point in time, guys. I'm kind of depressed. I don't want to lose the manual transmission, but I can't be dealing with this all the time either. Look, no gears. I got a first gear right now, nothing. Third gear, nothing. Second gear, nothing. Fifth gear, nothing. I can't even get into sixth gear. I can go to fourth gear only. And I'm depressed, YouTube. I'm really, really depressed. The transmission is brand new from the dealership. I don't know why she broke. I don't know why she's breaking. I'm gonna hit up some people I know in the manual world, like Mods of Fame, and talk to them because I don't know what to do. I shouldn't be having these issues in the problem, but I am. And it's kind of getting to the point where it's depressing, guys. It's really depressing. I don't know if it's time to buy another car. I don't know what to tell y'all. All I can tell you that right now I'm going back home. At least I got a little bit of travel. I can drive in fourth gear and go home. But it's very depressing because what do you do, guys? I mean, you know, you got a car that you love and you enjoy, but if it begins to give you so many problems with failing parts, nobody builds this transmission that I know of. I got a transmission in my shop right now, and I can't get nobody to freaking, you know, give me a build on it or something like that, man. Parts are on back order for a lot of places out for COVID, and the Audio Cat is down again, and that's beginning to get to me, man. Because I mean, I got my car to enjoy my car, to have this car and not feel that my car is dependable. It's beginning to get to the point where I'm not gonna lie to you, I might want to get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? I might want to get rid of it. I have not beaten this car. I have my 22s on the car right now. I've been driving the 22s already since I got this whole car back. Only thing I did with this car as far as racing was go to the demonology event. I did a roll race, one. You know, we won the race, but she gave me a little bit of wheel hop, which I'm wondering if that has a lot to do with it or not. But long story short, from there I've done, you know, just coming home, going to work, enjoy the car, take it to the shop, you know, getting her cleaned up and having fun with her, man. And now I deal with this problem of the transmission being gone, guys. Look, I'm gonna stop here and just kind of give y'all an understanding so y'all can feel what I'm talking about. But look at this here, guys, look. So I don't know if y'all can hear inside there. Look at this, I'm gonna go first gear. Second gear, nothing. Third gear, nothing. Fourth gear, I got something. Fifth gear, nothing. Sixth gear, that's fourth gear. I don't know what to say, guys. I'm actually, I'm pretty depressed, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to bring this to y'all. Audio Cat is down again. She is down again. If it's not rear ends, it's transmissions. My guys are telling me to go to Turbo 400. I don't want to go with an automatic transmission. But I kind of feel like I'm being forced to. If I'm gonna keep it at this level of power, I mean, I'm really just not really. There are a lot of autos I know out there with the same setup I got, and they don't have these failures. So I want to share with y'all on YouTube, and see what y'all comment below, man. Comment and tell me what y'all think we should do at this point in time. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very hurt right now with this car. I love her so much, but you know, it's like if you have a girlfriend, you know what I'm saying, and she keeps on failing you and keeps on doing you wrong and keeps on failing you, eventually you get rid of her. So I don't know if I want to get rid of this car, but I'm really not happy with the status of what just happened to this car right now. My son's with me. We were just cruising to work, no playing around, just cruising to work, you know, having fun. again. So at this point in time, guys, I'm very, very depressed. I have to leave her in my house today, and I'm gonna see what we decide to do. I ask y'all to comment and share below and let me know what y'all think, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, cruise crew. So since this happened this morning, I've been doing research. I've called. Shout out to Mod to Fame. Truthfully, man, if you don't know him, I don't know how. But if you don't know him, look up Mod to Fame. Very, very, very smart guy. Has a high horsepower manual Hellcat in New York. Really cool guy though, man. He's, you know, he picks up my calls and we talk about these things. He has a manual, and we talked about some very important things. There's people out there with some power. Mission Flyer, Mod to Fame also got manuals. They don't have this problem that I'm having with my car breaking rear ends. We did know we went to the track for the demonology event. We did find a lot of wheel hop in my car. Wheel hop is not your friend. It is, excuse me. It's definitely not your friend. It is an enemy of rear ends because it's vibration. Basically, the wheel hops, it begins to give extra like hits on the whole drive shaft and the whole rear of the car. So, you know, we're gonna deal and address with that. I spoke to Tremec Transmission, the people who make the transmission for my cat. They said that they've had this issue with these cars when they get into modding these cars out, which, I mean, I understand the car was built for 707 horsepower, 600 something foot-pounds of torque from factory. Once you start accessing those numbers, then we can understand that it's only built for that, man. But again, I know there's a lot of automatics out there that are still wearing the same thing. I don't want to go automatic. I'm going to fight to not go automatic at all. But they referred me to a place called Liberty Gears in Michigan. And I got to speak to a very knowledgeable man. And he told me some information that's very strong. So he's like, Jeff, these cars are so heavy, which is true. The Hellcat is a very, 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 very heavy car, coming in almost 4,800 pounds. Putting power and making these cars move fast is a lot of stress on the drivetrain and the drive shaft and everything on the drivetrain. So the problem that we have right now, guys, is that I'm actually very depressed. I'm very hurt. But we spoke to Liberty. They said they could build a transmission out where you got the fourth gear in the car. Fourth gear is a 1-to-1. That means one rotation of the motor to one rotation of the rear out of the shaft of the transmission. So that's why the car only has fourth gear. Long story short, they tell them I can send them out a transmission. They can build it, but they can't guarantee it. So here goes my problem. If I stick $25 to $35 in the transmission to get it built, but they can't guarantee it, how good really is that? I don't know what to do, but I talked to my guy, Joe, at Clay Cooley. Shout out to Joe from Clay Cooley. Always been A1 with me, y'all. This is the best parts guy I've ever dealt with. And not because he only takes care of me, but his customer service and everything, he's unique, man. So he's working on getting me another stock tranny. We're going to change the fluid in the transmission and go to a thicker viscosity. I always ran the original Mopar. Transmission fluid from Mopar. They're telling me that's a bad idea. Because we're going into a lot of more heat and a lot of more of the stuff going to need to dispense that heat to stop the issues that some of it could be coming from. So I'm definitely going to do that in a new tranny and see what's going on, y'all. But I'm going to be honest with you, man. This morning I've had mixed feelings about keeping my car, selling my car, down tuning my car, going back to stock. I don't know what to do with her. I am truthfully really, really, really depressed with this car today. You know, you have a car you put money into and you put love into it. And then you have these issues on a regular basis. If it's not the drive shaft, I mean, if it's not the rear end, it's the transmission. If it's not transmission, it's the rear end. I'm at a point, man, where I'm thinking of, you know, they keep on telling me to go to Turbo 400. I don't want to go automatic, but I'm just looking at my options, y'all. So I brought you this video to express to you guys my feelings, man, because I'm really hurt. My allergies are kicking my butt, as you can see in my eyes. But I'm at this point right now where I'm going to probably get another stock tranny, change the oil in it, take my car out to the guys at my shop, Jackfab, and have them take a look at it and see what they tell me could be the problem with the situation with the car, and see what happens. So look, man, I came to see my partner because you know, this is my best friend, this is my everything, this is my wife, and I'm about to express to her everything that happened right now.
He is crying to me.
I'm hurt, y'all. Listen.
Incoming call.
No cap.
Press the pickup button.
No cap. I'm actually hurt, man. I'm not crying, but I got allergies, but I'm hurt about what's going on. So I'm expressing what's going on, man. But at this point in time, I'm gonna just take that advice and do what
incoming call. Press the pickup
and do what they told me to do. Cruise. So after y'all saw the transmission, I actually got her loaded up right now on top of her trailer. She's behind the old faithful Tahoe, who's been so great to us. We have the Hellcat loaded in the trailer going out to Jackfab. I don't tell y'all, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'm so depressed with this car. I'm thinking about getting rid of the AUDIOZONE. Maybe buy me a Trackhawk, buy me a Red Eye, buy me something. But I mean, I understand the save the manuals, and I'm about saving the manual. But this saving the manual shit is costing me a lot of money. So it ain't saving nothing but the manuals that are hurting my pocket. To be real with you, what do you think? I'm saving the manuals, Tony, but I ain't saving my pockets.
At all.
Is it helping me in any way?
No, it ain't.
Not it ain't. So I'm thinking right now, guys, that we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna take this out there and see what's going on, man. But we already making a move soon, y'all. So stay tuned. Cruise crew, we're dropping the car. We just got the car off here at Jackfab. She's only got 4th gear, so he's kind of cruising out a little bit. He got her off. She's in 4th gear, and she is here. We're here at Jackfab, man, himself live. We're about to put this together here. Tony Snow over there helping me out, man. But the AUDIOZONE is right there, getting dropped off. I'm deciding. I might buy me a Trackhawk, buy me a Red Eye. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all, but something's gonna happen, or we're gonna have to figure out this mess to go to sequential or do something. I don't want to go turbo 400 like what everybody tells me to do to avoid the problem, but I might have to do that, man. But it doesn't matter. She's not that great, y'all. So right now we're gonna drop off the vehicle here to the guys. Hold on a second. All right, guys. So like I told you, I'm brokenhearted today. This is my technician, man. I know he loves seeing my car, but I don't think he loves seeing it under these conditions as much as he's seen it with this thing. What are you thinking about? What do you think? What do you really think is going on? Too much power for that tranny?
Yeah.
Way
definitely.
too much. What do you think we can? What can we do, P? Put a sequential in there, like they do for the Vipers. I mean, what is it?
I really don't know.
I don't want to go automatic.
Well, I don't really think that's really the option.
I'll turbo 400 is what they're telling me to do.
That's what I would do.
You see, guys, I mean, I'm at the same thing, man. I'm gonna put another tranny in there for now. Baby her. Other people ain't breaking their trannies, man. That's my problem. Other people not breaking their tranny, but it's like
Just
somebody
you.
telling me I drive the shit out of my car. They say I drive the shit out of my car compared to a lot of people, which I do. But long story short, guys, we're gonna put this tranny in and just I'm gonna try this new oil they told me to try out. I called down to the maker of the transmission, which is Tremic. They sent me to another guy who does some cryo coating on the transmission and so on. He tells me that when you go to the power, you have to change the viscosity and the type of oil. You can't use the stock oil. When I spoke to Montefane, he told me that in his car too, Intech told him the same thing, and they took off the factory oil and running aftermarket oil in there, which he gave me the name of it. I'm gonna buy that. Okay. Hopefully that helps out a little bit, because we can't keep on coming over here for these conditions, man. I want to come here for new builds, not for this. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna end this video by telling y'all thank y'all for the support. Comment below, should I get the Red Eye? Should I get the Trackhawk? Should I put the Turbo 400 in the transmission? I don't know. Y'all my supporters. Y'all tell me what you think we should do. Y'all be good, peace.